In this video, I will show you how to reset OKX Wallet Password. So first of all, open your OKX wallet, and if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with OKX and to earn up to $30 in crypto for free. So anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the icon at the top left, and from there click on your profile and settings. Go to the security tab in here, and when you scroll down, you need to click on login password, and then you need to click on continue to make changes to your password. So please note that to safeguard the assets, making changes to your password means you won't be able to withdraw crypto for 24 hours. So then your account will be locked for 24 hours, so you can't do anything with it then. So if you want to change your password, you need to be sure and need to be aware that you won't be able to do things for 24 hours. So if you want to make changes, go ahead and click on continue. And from there, everything will be really clear. You will be able to click on your password there, and then you will be able to set a new one or to reset it. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.